Galaxy Casino Macau. They're very big. I think one of the largest, maybe, not sure. It's very beautiful. Another one next to the Galaxy is Venetian. This one is also very, very beautiful. I will go inside later. Not now. Just walk around and record a bit first. Visiting Galaxy Casino. And get off here. 2 bus stops. One is T365 for 30X. I don't know where they come from, but one stop is more convenient if you're coming from Hong Kong. 102X. Stop number next to that. Stop number 420. Get off for Galaxy. If you go to Venetian, you can use same bus. You need to walk a little more. There is a Venetian. Everyone in Galaxy Casino also has so many entrances. This is the one of entrance. And if you want to go to Venetian, you need to walk a bit. You need to find the way. This is Galaxy. There is Venetian. I don't know how to go there. I will find a way. This is Venetian Macau Casino. It's a hotel actually. Very beautiful. Architecture is very beautiful. There is a very stunning view. I don't know if it's in the Venetian or in the Galaxy. I think in the Venetian. I guess I am arrived there already, the shopping mall. Here you see the sky. Very nice view. Stunning view.
我嚟到先同你買幾支。係啦，唔該你。
I came here after a long time. I think after 5 to 6 years at that floor. Long time ago when I come here. Mostly just explore the casino part. The shopping mall. Yeah. I don't know if mobile can capture this scene or not, but the real scene is amazing. Beautiful. Normally people don't record videos, not actually interested in recording video, but that part you can see many people taking photos. Mostly are taking photos, not recording video, but still recording video also. Last time I come here, I not explored the whole part of this scenery. I thought it was just a small part, but it's kind of little bigger than I expected. Oh, sound came from there. There are so many small speakers are built in. Compare them. Here are so many people are taking photos. View is stunning, really unbelievable. Architecture is different than normally you can see in the Asian countries, because Macau was a part of Portugal. Now I am in Venetian casino. I am trying to find a place. View is stunning. Long time ago I come here before COVID. After that I cannot find the shopping mall. McDonald's also converts. I think I find it. Yes, this is the place which I was talking about. Wow, amazing view. Very nice. Very nice. View is amazing. I think it's finished. I was expecting this place should have been large, but it's very small. Maybe I am mixed up with some other place where I went a long time ago. Not this. Oh, I think not finished. No, yes. I need to walk more then. Sit and relax. Yes. Wow. Amazing view. Here is a very big shopping mall. The Minecraft Lego shop. Actually, it's a very long walk. Most of people come here for just sightseeing.
順便混埋個嘴咯，我覺得個嘴好好地 OK 啦。包翻上嚟睇下點樣。
I think the Venetian is the largest one and more bigger than Galaxy. Also have Bank of China. Bank of China, Macau. Video may be shaky, but I want to record with my micro camera, so can capture more space. If I turn on the study mode, video will be let's record ready. Look at the stunning view, really stunning. Stunning, amazing is very small words for this view. Many people are busy in using their phone by recording video or just capturing photos.